Hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Stephen Oluyemi, and welcome to Spark Creations. Here, I'm going to be showing you the tutorial on how to actually generate your flyer. So, yes, without wasting time, open up the docs. So, if you're watching this tutorial, you most likely have had access to this material, the AI design master prompt guide. If you don't have access to it, you might check the description of the video. You find it somewhere there, and so download it and open to get the prompt. So yeah, let's get right into the video. And just in case, you can also drop a comment if you don't find it in the description, so that we can help you. Or if you're watching this as a course or a training, you can ask on the support group. Is that okay? Good. So let's head over. How do you use this material? You're supposed to be copy the exact prompt, not copy the exactly prompt. Pardon that. Yeah, copy the exact prompt, send it to your AI image generation chat of your choice, chatbots of your choice. All right, this will be updated. All right, let's get into it, and of course save and download. So the first thing we're doing here is the training flyer. So training flyers, because this is most likely the commonest kind of flyers that people do, especially when it comes to business, sales, marketing, all of those things. So this exact flyer is what we're replicating, and the prompt to do this is right here. Now let me quickly say something. By the time we take this to ChatGPT, to Gemini, based on this course, somehow there is a chance that you can see some differences. All right, so for example, you might not be the exact verbatim. One or two things might be different, and I'll tell you the reason that can happen. It's because some parts of the flyers might not be exactly detailed. All right, but just in case, I'm just telling you so that when we do it and you notice that, you already understand what's happening. Is that okay? So let's get into the training. Yeah, so what you need to do is to come here, long press, and if you're using a PC, all you got to do is to place your cursor and highlight. All right, you highlight, and then you copy the text this way. All right, you copy the text this way, and then all the way down. So you want to be careful so that you don't drop it. All right, copy all the way down like this. All right, so you want to be careful as you're swiping so you don't deselect it. All right, so copy exactly, and then we're going to have something like this. And once you get to the last part, you copy, and then you go to Gemini that we're going to be using. We're going to be using Gemini. So you go to Gemini, you open it up like this, and then all you have to do is just drop your prompt, and then there you go. All right, so drop your prompt this way, and let's see what we have. Just send. So let's wait for our magic. We're just going to wait for a few seconds. Now, the interesting part of all of this is, if you're going to be doing this on a design app, it's going to take you about 30 minutes or more, depending on your level of expertise or dexterity, also level of experience as well. All right, but this is going to take us a few seconds. All right, as you can see, it's going to be less than a minute or two. All right, and then we have our design. Let's look at that. Then we're going to compare with the reference we are. Now look at this. All right, let's compare with the sample we had earlier. Good. So let's compare with this, and then we're going to check it. Like I said earlier, there might be some differences, but we're going to see that. So okay, first of all, the phone number is different. There's something about bonus bundle. We don't want that there. Okay, other things are in place. Okay, I can see arts in front of AI money. Which other thing? Design faster is on the first line instead of the second line. Then make more. Okay, money enters into it. Thought like okay, but in terms of the text type, font type, in terms of the icons, in terms of the image, in terms of the face, you can even say that the face is almost exactly the same. All right, then you can see Poppins thin, so that means we need to edit this on the prompt. Now I have tried generating, this, I've used this particular prompt to generate flyers multiple times. I mean, this exact prompt, and on different points I noticed that it has different outputs. Some of them, it omitted some parts, which means we need to optimize this. So if you have this kind of result, what you need to just do is optimize your prompt, and I'm going to show you how to do that in another video, actually in another video. But I just want to show you that this is how it works, and you can see this is almost verbatim. So yeah, this is how I created this flyer using this exact prompt. So we're just going to review this prompt to see the elements that are inside, and I'm just going to explain a few things to you. Is that okay? Very good. So let's get into the prompt and let's examine it. So you can see, design a high converting modern digital product flyer. That's the keyword. This, so you need to describe the kind of flyer it is, right? And the entitled AI Money Masterclass. The font for AI Money is Monthold. That's supposed to be Montbold. Mont for Masterclass, of course the system understands it, so but you need to be exact just in case so you don't make mistakes. Font for Masterclass is italicized. Layout, split layout composition of with 70% left content, 30% right portrait. Background is white background with subtle, so you can read all of this on your own. I'm just trying to show you the content and what it looks like. So navy, forest green, so we describe the color. So if you want a particular color, you see that. So let me show you. You will notice that words is in red. So what we did there is simply to say, let me show you how to design. Words is written in Montbold, all caps and red color. Did you see that? So we indicate the details we want to see on that effect there. So anything you see on your flyer is most likely what you've already prompted. So if you want better results, what you need to do is write the right prompt. And if you write the right prompt, and if there's any thing that you feel like, oh, this is not perfect yet, you can edit it. Like I said, I'll show you that later on, but the goal is that it's simply about editing your prompt again and optimizing it. So that's that about that. Bonus bundle, bullet point inside. Okay, I can already see where the problem is in the prompt. So bonus bundle is indicated as part of the 3 things that are on the list. So the AI is reading it as though it's part of it. That's why you can see it's added here with the star. So what we're going to be doing when we're editing is we're going to be editing that part off. You see that the results will change. Then compared to the other one, you notice that, okay, let me show you from here so you see what I'm saying. You will also notice that billion is in black while billion is in white here. The reason is because we did not dictate the kind of color it should use. So when we get to the editing part, we're going to fix all of this after we go through the entire training. Is that okay? So this is how we did this, and you too can do it. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope this has opened your mind. And of course the prompts are available to you and you too can use it. This is crazy because I mean, look at how sharp it is. Let's look at the one we just created. All right, so sometimes if we minimize, it can actually close, so you just need to wait for a while, it will load again. So I mean, look at how sharp this is. The studio lighting, this is crazy. The blurry, this is naira, blurry money icons, dollars, the motion blur on the coins and everything. All right, so if you design this for a client, they'll pay you because they most likely will never even think that you can generate this with words. All right, so this is a way you can design faster and of course make more money. I hope this helps you. My name is Steven Oluyemi and this is Spark Creations. I'll see you in the next tutorial.